One of New Zealand's must-see waterfalls. 8:30 AM. We're just going to go as quick as we can because it's absolutely freezing. And try and get to a viewing platform. There's a lot of steps. It's a good one from here. Bridge. See the top of the waterfall. This way, is it?
It's well signposted.
The first step. Here we go. Wow, that's so high. Oh, Devil's Punchbowl, Waterfall 144. How good is that? One of New Zealand's must-see waterfalls.
There's an excellent viewing platform here. You could fit quite a few people on and you get a perfect view of the falls and the river. It's really well set up.
And there's still more to come today, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
At least one more waterfall.
Don't forget to turn around and look at the mountains whilst you're up here.
Waterfall behind. Snow-capped mountains, how good is that?
Well, this is definitely a 5-starer from us.
5 stars, must do, on your New Zealand road trip.
Yeah. And now for the next thing.
Now we're off to, is it a viewpoint?
Yeah, I can't remember what it's called.
Up the road there's a stunning viewpoint. But first, we've got some more stairs to deal with. Fancy tea.
So gorgeous, the colour.
So clear, fresh.
We're at the Otira Viaduct lookout and it is a heck of a view.
One of the many viewpoints on the Arthur's Pass. Driving across the bridge now that you've just seen, and there's another lookout, so we're just going to that. That's a waterfall. That is a legitimate waterfall we can see. So our unexpected second waterfall of the day. Going over the Viaduct. Look out. We're turning around to get a better view. She's around the corner. I don't think you can see when you go over it this way.
I don't think you can. We want a nice long gap. We can drive over the bridge and get a good view of the waterfall as we're going.
I'd just go. Go, go, go. 145th waterfall.
Do you see it?
Just. There it is.
That's a good view there. Just parked on side the road next to Arthur's Pass store and post office, and now we've just found a little walk to our third waterfall of the day,
Which is the Avalanche Creek Falls.
Yeah!
Some more steps to go up. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Oh, that's lovely. That is very pretty. I like that one a lot. The sun's just on it.
The sun
now.
really makes it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Avalanche Creek. What a gem. 5 stars.
5 stars, fat lunch and travel.
Oh, there's one sat on the...
Oh,
It's just next to like
Come
a
on.
table. They're
mountain.
all over the place, look.
They're going to have a fight now, look. This is the only mountain bird in the world. And look how bright they are. Mountain parrot.
What have they got?
They say they do it themselves.
You can't stop them. Oh, they're numbered. That's so funny, isn't
Local
it?
post office after.
Everyone has their little numbered box, I suppose. I wonder what the fridge is for.
Yeah. It's a bit of a funny place.
Oh, it's for books, obviously.
The local library as well.
There you go.
Put books in the fridge.
Like you do. Got some DVDs there as well. There's some in the freezer. Oh, a few, yeah. Right behind
here.
us.
They're
Look,
everywhere suddenly.
they think we've
appear,
got
don't they?
food, don't they?
The Kia, mountain parrot, they're everywhere.
You are cheeky, aren't you?
And all they want, it looks like, is the food.
Yeah.
Well, I think that brings us to the end of this video. And what a morning we've had.
We've had a really nice morning, yeah. Going through the Arthur's Pass, through the village to Devil's Punchbowl Waterfall. And this one, finishing it off, I think is brilliant.
Spectacular views along the way. Doesn't matter where you look or where you stop here. It's stunning.
Take your time driving through it, stop off and take loads of photos. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah. Like this video, give it a good old thumbs up for us. We'll appreciate that.
Yeah, share it, like it, send us a comment, ask a question. We like to hear where you've been, where your favourite waterfalls are, and where you think we should go next.
Have you been here before? Let us know your thoughts. And hit that subscribe.
There's loads more still to come on this New Zealand road trip. We're going right through the South Island. So subscribe to follow and see where we go next.
Yeah. Looking for waterfalls all around the world, that's what we're all about here. Next up, Twizzle.
That's got to be one of my favourite names of a place ever.
And what we're going to see could be down good too.
Yeah.
Mount Cook, here we come.